In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect steering wheel to Asphalt 8. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up any steering wheel model that you have to play Asphalt 8. All that you have to do is first ensure compatibility. Make sure that you are using a compatible steering wheel with your specific platform. So for example, if you are playing Asphalt 8 on PC, you need to use a steering wheel that is compatible with PC. If you are playing on a console, however, you need to use the appropriate steering wheel model and so on. So all that you have to do is connect it to your platform. Usually this will be done with the provided cables, usually USB. So once the steering wheel has been connected and detected, update the drivers if needed. So if you are on PC, visit the official website, and now you will be able to set it up inside of the game. So you can go over to controls and see if it was detected here. And sometimes you might not be able to find your steering wheel listed under the controls. This is okay. All that you have to do is make sure that you are using your steering wheel as a controller. So you will be able to use it in gamepad mode. As soon as you set it to gamepad mode, it is going to act just like a random controller. So all that you have to do is connect it to any platform. As soon as you set it up accordingly, you will be able to start a race and it will be detected. Like I said, the only thing that you need to ensure is that it either appears under the control settings or you make sure that you are using it in gamepad mode. Gamepad mode will mimic a controller's actions, so it is going to trick the game into using it as a controller, allowing for full support, because sometimes trying to use it in standard steering wheel input mode can cause issues, so choose whichever option you prefer. As long as it is connected to your platform, you will be able to use it without too much hassle. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect steering wheel to Asphalt 8. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.